My name is Javier Arrebola. I'm professor of Analytical Chemistry in the University of Almeria, and I belong to the team Analytical Chemistry of Contaminants. My team, who is led by Professor Antonia Garrido, is consisted of around 15-20 people, and we are working in developing new technologies, new methodologies for compounds that are difficult to be analyzed, typically foodstuff, biological samples, also environmental samples. The common point of all this is the applicability. We always try to look for straight applicability as soon as possible. I like very much durability, and I like very much the capacity for analyzing compounds with high boiling points. Like with the RMX column, you can set up a part of the column that is not submitted to such a high temperature for bleeding, and therefore when you can increase temperature in the transfer line, you enhance sensitivity for those compounds quite a lot, and you appreciate it a lot. The integrated guard column in the column is helping also to maintain the head of the column not submitted to a high temperature, and minimizes also the bleeding of the column. Nevertheless, traditionally chromatographies used to integrate apart the guard column, but you detect immediately an improvement, especially for those compounds. Acetocystrobin, pyrethroids, deltametrin, phenvalerate, all those compounds are enhancing the sensitivity quite a lot with the new columns. So definitely you reduce the bleeding of the column and you improve sensitivity. Signal to noise ratio is quite better. It reduces background noise, it enlarges lifetime of the column, and somehow calibration of the system is also more stable. Because if the lifetime is longer, it's because the system is more stable for a longer time. You simplify everything that you need to do to your chromatographic system, reducing the maintenance of the column. You are enlarging the time that you can dedicate to analyze samples, and it's quite better. The throughput of the laboratory is enhanced, it's improved. I think any chromatographist should use the NMRs. They can feel the improvements regarding classical columns, but especially people who are analyzing compounds with high boiling points. I think they're going to feel quite more the advantages. It's something very simple to introduce in your laboratories. You don't need to do practically anything, so just to start using them straight away. We are already working for publishing some of the results that we are obtaining with RMX columns. I think it's going to improve in my field the results. Restek has great products. Everybody knows Restek, and I like very much to work with the products of Restek, definitely. They are always pushing themselves for providing you better products. You can see it, the launch of new products is constant. So it means that they want to improve, not to just stabilize. They want to be better. And we appreciate it as scientists because we need their products.